What's up, my Winjas? This is your girl Maya. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are building on our flow and we're going to be adding some side kick-throughs with some crab reaches for a total body workout coming right up. Shit's gonna get real. Make sure you've watched all the previous beginner series as I cover all the different nuances of animal flow and where we learn all the different techniques to get us to where we need to be to do this flow that I'm going to teach you today. I've linked it all up in the description box below. I'm going to show you a really fun flow today, and all we're going to be doing are 2 side kick-throughs with an underswitch and then 2 crab reaches. But when you put it all together, back to back, it's a freaking crazy workout. So check it out. This is what it's going to look like. Make sure I don't kick anything around here. Set beast. Side kick through. Side kick through. Under switch. Crab reach. Crab reach again on the other side. Return to beast. Woo! Okay, let's slow it down a little bit. All right, I'm gonna set beast. You're gonna throw in a side kick through, so drop one foot, hover across the other leg, point the toe, take the hand, all the way back. Fully extended. Return to beast. Right away, side kick through on the other side. Return to beast. From here, do an under switch to get yourself into crab. Hit the crab, take one arm, hit the crab reach. Come back to crab, reset yourself, and then crab reach on the other side. Return to crab, finish it up by under switching, back to beast. So that's the slow version, and when you put it together, it just looks super cool, super fast, super intense. So, what may look like an extremely simple flow, now that you know all the little pieces, is extremely intricate because we are literally working out every single part of our body, plus we're challenging our mobility in the crab reaching and in all the under switches that we do. So give that a try. I'll write down the flow for you on the bottom so that you can have someone call it out for you so you can practice. And comment and let me know, did you try it? How'd it go? All right, guys? Stay in touch. Check me out on Instagram. Check me out on Twitter. I am everywhere under Move with Maya, MYA. And please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. And come back for more flows with me, your girl Maya.